Listening to your favorite music non-stop just got cooler. From the JioStore, search and install the music app and get access to all your music stored on JioCloud, local storages, network attached storages, that is NAS, Jio router, Windows, Mac on your JioSTB. Can't wait to know how? Just connect your pen drive or portable hard drive to set-top box or Jio router and start listening. Or enjoy the music stored in the cloud on your TV by linking your accounts just once. That's not it. One click on your smartphone or laptop and you can play your music on the big screen just like that. Thanks to the JioHome app, which enables casting and sharing of music on the STB. And the best part is, you can organize and view your music album-wise and discover songs seamlessly from the home screen itself. The smartly designed tabs lets you switch with a press of a button. So, do you want to listen to radio on your TV? Yes, that's possible. With music, listen to 10,000 plus radio channels across globe in almost all languages. From non-stop Hindi music to retro to city-based radio channels, we have the right station for every mood. And you know what? To search your kind of music from such a vast library of songs and radio channels is also quite simple. Just give a voice command and the music will begin. Now, who needs to remember what music content is stored where? From the Now Playing tab, get full control of your playback. Play, pause, shuffle, repeat all or repeat once as you wish. So now, with music, groove to your favorite songs on loop.